Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to create a message box in Excel using VBA, step by step, beginner friendly. We will see how to enable developer tab, how to open VBA editor, and how to write a simple message box. So if you want to make your Excel files more interactive and professional, keep watching. First, we need to activate the developer tab in Microsoft Excel. So after opening a new Excel file, firstly, click on File, secondly go to Options, next, click on Customize ribbon, then, on the right side, check the box Developer, finally, click OK. Now, you will see the Developer tab in the ribbon. In my case, it is already activated. Under the Developer menu, click on Insert, then choose button, Form Control. A window called Assign Macro will appear, click on New. The VBA editor will open, ready for you to write your code. After writing the code, you can click on Run sub/user form or simply press F5 to execute it. A message box will appear showing your text. Finally, save your Excel document with the .xlsm extension to keep the macro. Now, your macro is running. Whenever you click the button in your Excel sheet, the message box will appear showing your text. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, click subscribe and hit the bell. Your support means a lot and it helps me make more videos for you.